This is the W30,000 plastic welder. So the Injectiweld W30,000 accepts 4mm welding rod. The welding rod is fed automatically through the welding gun. We recommend that you always change your welding tips when the welder is hot. So we've been welding with this particular tip. It's time for a tip change. What we're gonna do is turn the welder off. We wanna let the welder sit for about 3 to 4 minutes now. Because of the different materials with the tip nut and the barrel, there's different materials in coefficient of expansion. So we wanna make sure that those materials have settled out. Otherwise, we're gonna cause damage to the threads.